This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter element renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly. Slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. Prise open the retaining clips, release the cover and lift out the filter element. Remove any dirt or debris from the filter housing. A vacuum cleaner is ideal for this. Insert the new element into the filter housing, then refit the cover and secure it with the retaining clips. Refit the air intake duct, ensuring the clips engage securely. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.